I've tried to help a lot of addicts, and it's really hard to be anyone but the addict because the addict really needs to want to get help before they can get help. Because if they don't want to change, then they're not going to. Um, I think, regardless, I think you should not enable your child. I think, make sure you aren't giving them money. Make sure you know where they are. And that's really hard because they're going to lie. They're just going to lie to you. But, they're going to hate you. They're going to yell in your face. They're going to be really nasty. I was nasty to my parents. They're going to, they might even hit you. Like, I never hit my parents, but that I wanted to. They're going to get really nasty with you. It's going to be really hard. You're going to feel like they hate you because they do hate you. But that's okay. Because they should hate you. Because you're trying to be the good in their lives that they can't be. And I think don't be their friend. Because they don't need a friend. They need someone that's going to pull them out of it and someone they're going to hate because they're not going to want to change. And you're going to hate making that change. But that's okay. You don't have to be their friend and they don't have to like you. By pushing them to make that change, pushing them to do something better, trust me, like later on, they will thank you. They will be grateful that you were there, even if they're hating you and screaming and slamming doors right now. To you, the parent that does not fully understand addiction, I'm not going to tell you you're completely wrong. Part of it is strength. That is true. But a lot of what the parent that doesn't understand, that just thinks it's a moral weakness, they are very wrong. Because I believe addicts have much more self-reflection than we're often given credit for. We might do these things, but we know that they're wrong, and they tear us up inside. And it's not a moral weakness, it's a sickness. And the same way that if someone had diabetes and it was the end of the world, you're damn right they're going to break into the pharmacy and steal their insulin so that they live. And it's really as simple as that. Like, when you're in active addiction, it's so that you can live, and your morals get thrown right out the window because it's really about trying to just sustain yourself. And so it's not a moral weakness, it's a sickness. And it's a sickness that thankfully can be overcome. And once you are sober, you will be able to develop that strength that parent thinks that they need. They don't have it right now. It's not about being strong. It's about being sick. You can't just tell a cancer kid to be strong. He's going to get through it. They need treatment. Both the cancer kid and the addict need treatment. And an addict isn't just some, but not 90% aren't just going to be able to turn it around. They need treatment. They need to unlearn these habits and to learn better habits. And then they'll be able to develop their morals.